I'm going to show you how to make a really simple little heart. It's a really nice motif. You can use this with any type of yarn that you've got in your stash. I just think a little heart is a nice little reminder for everyone around us that we love them, and a great reminder for looking after yourself at this time with a little bit of crochet calm. So I'm going to use this simple charted pattern, and I will post this in Hooky Buddies too. First off, we're going to start by making a magic ring. There are a few different ways of making a magic ring, but this is how I do it. First, I put the tail end of the yarn near my little finger on my yarn hand, make an L shape with my fingers, take the long working yarn and wrap it round to make a little kiss on the side, hold that steady with my thumb. Then I've got a tight band of yarn and the long working yarn over the back of my knuckles, and take the tip of my crochet hook, slide under the band, over the long loop of yarn and pull it up, twist, twist, slip my fingers out. Oops, try that again. I slip my fingers out there. Now if you pull it tight at that point, you get a slip knot. So we're going to take it one little stage further. Pull up the yarn, and then I'm just going to catch the open ring and make a chain, and that will hold the ring open. And then I'm going to put my stitches into the ring, and this is how it goes. We start with a chain, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 trebles. This is in US terms. Then we have 3 doubles, a treble at the tip to make the point, 3 doubles, another 4 trebles, and finishing with a chain 2 and a slip into the magic ring, and then pull it all tight like so with the centre, and that closes the ring. So I'm just going to work through those stitches now, starting with a chain 3. So I've got the one that closed the magic ring and then 2 more. And then to do a treble crochet, I'm just going to move that a little bit out of the way. Yarn over, I'm holding the ring open like this, like a little rainbow, into the magic ring and back, 4 loops on, yarn over, back through 2, yarn over, back through 2, yarn over, back through 2, yarn over, hook into the ring, yarn over, hook out of the ring, 4 loops on, yarn over, back through 2 loops, 2 more times, yarn over, back through 2 loops, yarn over, back through 2 loops. So I'm going to do 2 more trebles, one more, yarn over, in and out, yarn over, back through 2, yarn over, back through 2, yarn over, back through 2. Okay, and there is my first my chain, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 trebles. Now I'm going to do 3 US double crochets. That's yarn over and into the ring, yarn over and out of the ring, 3 loops on, yarn over back through 2 loops, and yarn over back through 2 loops. 2 more times. Okay, and you can start to see the heart is pulling in. Now I want to make a long stitch now for the tip of the heart. Yarn over, into the ring and back out. Yarn over, back through 2, yarn over, back through 2, yarn over, back through 2. That's my tall stitch at the base of the heart. And then we're going to work these stitches in reverse up the other side of the heart. 3 doubles, 4 trebles, and a chain 2 to close the shape. So 3 doubles first, yarn over and in, yarn over and out, yarn over back through 2, yarn over back through 2. 2 more. 1, 2. Okay, and then we're going to put the last 4 trebles in, yarn over, in and out. Once, twice, three times. 4 times. Okay, I'm just going to check my stitches before I finish, starting with my chains here. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 trebles, 1, 2, 3 doubles, 1 treble at the tip, 1, 2, 3 doubles, 1, 2, 3, 4 trebles, and to finish off, chain 2 and slip stitch. And there we go. I'm just going to pull the tail, snip my yarn, and pull and fasten this off, and then there we go, and there we are. If I pull that nice and tight, just go and murder the children for turning the TV on. You can pull that a little tighter. I think I've just fastened off in my haste. Right, I'll leave it there.